Hello kids, welcome to Let's Make Learning English Easy channel. In today's video, we are going to learn action verb. Now what is action verb? Any kind of action, whether it is physical or mental, is called action verb. So let's start. Run, run. Clean, clean. Dance, dance. Walk, walk. Cry, cry. Crawl, crawl. Fight, fight. Laugh, laugh. Write, write. Listen, listen. Read, read. Write, write. Think, think. Cook, cook. Climb, climb. Hope you all like this video. In case if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drink, drink. Thanks for watching.